Hello, my name is Asra Alipour from Ardabil, Iran. This is my CS50 final project. It's called Safe Lock Simulator written in Python. This project is not designed as a game or for entertainment. It is a security-focused simulation that demonstrates how access control systems behave under repeated failed attempts. The program simulates a secure vault protected by numeric code. The user can choose between three security levels. I'll select the hard level, which uses a 4-digit PIN and fewer attempts. Each attempt is checked, but the feedback is intentionally limited. The system only indicates whether the guess is higher or lower than the secret code. This reflects a real security principle: avoid revealing sensitive information to the attacker. After multiple failed attempts, the system temporarily locks itself. This simulates protection against brute force attacks. The program also provides controlled hints, including pattern-based hints that analyze the user's guessing behavior. These hints help legitimate users while still preserving overall system security. All important events such as failed attempts, lockouts, and access results are written to a security log file. This project includes automated tests written with PyTest. The tests verify core security functions. Although the program may look simple at first, it demonstrates core security concepts used in real systems, such as attempt limits, lock mechanisms, logging, and controlled feedback. This project focuses on how systems protect themselves, not on guessing the code itself. Thank you for watching.